Alright, this is one of the problems using for loop. The question is over here, or the problem says, write a Python program that prints n factorial, given n. So you will ask the user for n, and then the program should calculate n factorial and print it out. Okay, what is n factorial? Just to give you a reminder, what is n factorial? It's 1 times 2 times 3 times all the way to n. Okay, so first let's ask the user for the number. Let me ask the user for n. Okay, so I'm gonna say input and then I'm gonna say enter a number n to calculate its factorial. Okay, so the user is going to enter the number and then I'm going to read it. Now I have to define another variable that will hold the result. Okay, that will hold the n factorial. Okay, so I'm going to say n underscore factorial. Okay, and this is going to be equal to 1. Okay, why I'm making it equal to 1? Because if I make it equal to 0, you will see later on that n factorial will never change. It's going to be always 0. Okay, alright, so over here I'm going to use a for loop. I'm going to say for I in range of, take a look over here. I'm not going to say n, because if I say n, guess what's going to happen? The range is going to be from 0 all the way to n minus 1, okay, which is not true. The n factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 all the way to n. So I want to make sure I start from 1 and do not stop at n, stop at n plus 1, okay, because that's what's going to give me these numbers, this sequence, okay. And then after that I'm going to say n factorial is going to be equal to I times n factorial, and that's it. It's going to repeat. I is going to be 1, then 1 times 1 is going to be 1 for the n factorial, and then I is going to be 2, then it's going to be 2 times 1, it's going to be 2 n factorial, and so on and so forth. Okay, after I finish from the while loop, I'm just going to print out the following. I'm going to say n factorial equal to n factorial. Okay, and that's it. Let me run it, and it's going to ask me for a number. I'm going to say, for example, 4. The n factorial for 4 is, the 4 factorial is 24, and that's it.